Welcome back to another session of networking presented by Popola Miriam Aneke, the topic outline. In this place, we are discussing the network devices and the benefits of computer networking, objective of the class. At the end of the class, you should be able to enumerate the type of network devices we have and also list the benefits of networking. Now, what are the network devices we have? Network devices include the following. We have the hub, another one is the repeater, we have the bridges, we have the gateway, we have the router, and we have the broadcast. Now we're going to talk about the repeater. Its job is to regenerate the signal over the same network before the signal becomes too weak or corrupted, so as to extend the length to which the signal can be transmitted over the same network. And also, an important point to be noted about the repeater is that they do not amplify the signal when the signal becomes weak. They occupy the signal bit by bit and regenerate it at the original strength. It is a two-port device. A repeater is a two-port device. Now we're going to move to the hub. A hub is basically a repeater. A hub connects multiple wires coming from different branches. For example, the connector in star topology, which connects different stations. Hubs cannot filter data, so data packets are sent to all connected devices. The types of hub include active hub, passive hub. Now we're going to talk about the bridge. A bridge is a repeater which adds on the functionality of filtering contents by reading the MAC addresses of source and destination. It is also used for interconnecting two LANs working on different protocols. It has a single input and a single output port, thus make it a two-port device. The two types of bridges include transparent bridges and subrouting bridges. Now we're going to move to switch. A switch is a multipurpose. A switch is a multi-port bridge with a buffer and a design that can boost its efficiency. That is, a large number of ports imply less traffic and performance. A switch is a data link layer device. The switch can perform error checking before forwarding data. That makes it very efficient as it does not forward packets that have errors and forward good packets selectively to a correct port only. Router. A router is a device like switch that rotates data packets based on their IP addresses. Router normally connects LANs and WANs together and have a dynamically updating routing table based on which they make decisions on routing the data packets. Router device broadcasts domain of hosts connected through it. We move to gateway. A gateway, as its name suggests, is a passage to connect two networks together that may work upon different networking models. They basically work as a messenger agents that take data from one system, interpret it, and transfer it to another system. Also, gateways are also called protocol converter and can operate at any network layer. Gateways are generally more complex than switch or router. We're going to move to router. It is also known as bridging router. Is a device which combines features of both bridges and router. It can work either as a data link layer or as network layer. Working as router, it is capable of rotating packets across the network, and working as bridges, it is capable of filtering local area network traffic. Looking at the diagram shows up, it shows a pictorial representation of the network devices we have. In this diagram, we have the hub here, we have the gateway, we have the router, we also have the repeater, and we have the bridges, and we have the switch. I think with this pictorial diagram, we'll be able to identify the network devices we have. Now we are moving to benefits of computer network. Okay. Computer networking provides the following benefits. Number one, it allows us to share data and resources. Another one is that it helps us in reducing the required number of devices. It provides us a platform to communicate with other users in the network. It allows multiple users to work on a single project. It allows us to store data in a centralized location. It allows us to implement the security policy. It allows us to track and monitor the use of resources. Summary. So far, we discussed the network devices we have and the benefits of networking. Assignment. In your own words, explain 3 network devices you know, and also, apart from the ones stated in class, list the benefits of networking. Thank you.